Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I will be installing a new exhaust on the Ciao. So I have arrived at my favorite filming location. As you can see, some buildings are being built here. I don't know how long I'll be able to film here, but we're here. So my plan is to just go up and down 2 times so the engine is nice and warm, and then do 3 0 to 25 kilometers runs. I'll get the average of that using my phone, and yeah, let's go. Well, those 2 rounds were faster than I thought, so I'm also way quicker at 0 to 25 than I expected, so I'm gonna do 0 to 30 kilometers runs. So this is the first run. Very well. I'm now gonna go home and install the Simonini exhaust, and then I'm gonna have to up jet, so put a bigger jet in the carburetor, and then we'll see how it performs. Well, we're now several hours further, but the exhaust is finally on. Not entirely, but enough for now. It's quite late already, but I really want to hear how it sounds, so I'm just gonna pour some gasoline in the tank, and then I'll start it up for a minute or so. Klinkt goed, hè? Well, the exhaust sounds really good, but like I said, it's very late already, so I'm not gonna put it on, so I'm not gonna let it run for longer for now. We're gonna check in tomorrow and we'll do some drive-bys. We have arrived. So we're back at our famous testing spot. It's really cold outside, so again I'm gonna do some warm-up laps. Now I forgot to zip tie my phone to the steering wheel, so I'm just gonna put it in my pocket. This does mean that the sound of the phone is gonna be a bit worse. So I finally got the averages of the speed test. It only took me about 2 months, but that's fine. You can definitely see that the original exhaust is actually about a second faster, but this has to do with the small power dip, which is with the Simonini exhaust. I can fix this by installing stronger clutch springs, which I'll do in the next video, and also maybe put an even bigger jet in. So that was the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed. I want to thank you all guys again for the 100 subscribers, and yeah, let's go to the 500 or the 1000 I guess.